Today, in our previous videos, we are learning some problem sums about addition, multiplication, division and subtraction. Today we are learning one most interesting topic about our real number is estimation. What is the meaning of estimation? In our real life, we have used some words like approximate. So what is the meaning of approximate and estimation? Suppose if India and Pakistan match is there, how many spectators watch the match in stadium? So we write down, suppose approximately 51,000. Here we write down 51,000 approximate. Now what is the meaning of approximate? Is not exact 51,000, is more than 51,000, more than 51,000 or less than 51,000, but not for less than 50,000. Means is nearest from this one is known as approximate value. Same way, if we celebrate any function at our home, if we celebrate any function at our home, or we going to purchase some grocery at DMart or anywhere, then how many money you want to take with you? कितने पैसे हम लेके जाएंगे? तो we decide कि how many grocery we want. Then we take approximate. Suppose we take 4,000 or 5,000. We doesn't take 1 lakh rupees or more than. When we purchase only 3,000 or 4,000 rupees grocery. Okay? This is known as how much we want is known as approximate. Is not exact value, but it is the nearest from where we purchase or where the spectators is there. Is 50,000 or 52,000 is also there, but is nearest from 51. Okay? Same way, we give the example again. In today's life, is COVID-19 is going there. Then we say that how many patients are coming on next day. How many patients are coming on next day? We assume that, guess, is 200 in Ahmedabad and total 1,000 in Gujarat. But if 1,000 means is not exact 1,000 in Gujarat, is 950 or 1050 also. In between any number is given is known as approximate value, not exact value. Same way, estimation is also the same things. What is the estimation? Estimation means we use the estimation word, we change the numbers in round form. Round form means if we write down 11, then if we want to write down the 11 in round form means the unit digit is 0. Then how we write down 11? We write down 10 because 11 is nearest from 10. So how we write down the estimation? Suppose we write down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here this both number is round form, but remaining number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. At which side? The 1, 2, 3, 4 is nearest from 0. If all this number is there, अगर ये सब number है तो हम क्या लगा देंगे? 0. Then 6, 7, 8, 9. This digit are nearest from 10. So we write down round form 0. 10. Okay. Here one interesting digit is 5. What we are doing with 5? अगर यूनिट डिजिट 5 है तो उसको 0 लगाएंगे या 5? 10. Because is same distance from 0 and same distance from 10 also. Here we is general rule, if the digit is 5 then we write down 10 in estimation form. Understand all of you how to estimate the digits? Okay? If you understand, अगर आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया है कि 1 to 10 में कैसे estimate करते हैं, then we learn about how to estimate 10, 100 and 1000. estimate tens. Tens means, all of you understand, 10 means 2-digit numbers. Two-digit number means 11 to 99. Okay, then 100. Suppose we write down 13. So 13 is nearest from 10. So we write down 10 is round number, round digit 10. If we write down 29, 29 is nearest from 30. So we write down round of 10 means 30. Understand? Same way, if we write down 55, here we observe that here 5. Here 5 means we add plus 1 in 10 digit. So we write down 60. Okay? Everywhere where the unit digit is 5 or more than 5, then we plus 1 in 10 digit, then write down 0 at unit place, where we estimate at round of the digit number in 10 form. Okay? Then after, all of you understand how to rounding of the number in 10 form. Then we are learn 100 form. 100 means 3-digit number. 3-digit number. Now suppose here write down 119. 119. Then how to estimate in 100 form? Here we write down 100 form means the unit place. Here any number like this, 5, 6, 7, 6, 0. We write down 1, 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. If we want to write down 100 form, then we check this number. Then after we check the 10-digit number. If 10-digit number is less than 5, then we write out the number 100. Remaining all digits are 0. Understand? Okay. Same way we write down 269. We write down 269. What happened here? We round off this number. We check the 10-digit number. 10-digit number is more than 5. What we are doing here? We put 0 here but plus 1 here. Then we write down 300. Understand? Okay. हमें क्या करना है? ये अगर 100 फॉर्म चेक कर रहे हैं तो 100 फॉर्म में राउंडिंग ऑफ करना है, तो उसके नियरेस्ट 10 डिजिट जो नंबर है वो 5 या 5 से ज्यादा है, तो जो आगे वाला 100 फॉर्म में जो डिजिट प्लेस वैल्यू है उसमें प्लस 1 करके बाकी के नंबर क्या कर देने? 0 कर देने हैं. Then we write down 300. Same we write down, suppose 4392. If we round off this in 100 form, तो क्या करेंगे? हम 1000 फॉर्म को चेक नहीं करेंगे, हमें किसको राउंड ऑफ करना है? 100 को. Here 3. Then we check the nearest 10 digit number. Here 9. So we write down 4400. Understand all of you how to estimate the number and how to rounding of the digit in 10 place and 100 place. Okay? Same way we going ahead, then we rounding of the number 1000 place. Rounding off in 1000 place. What we are doing here? We check the number, 4-digit number. It's suppose here 4123. So here we check the 1000-digit place value. Here 4, then is nearest 100 form value is 1. Is less than 5. ये 100 प्लेस की वैल्यू है वो 5 से छोटी है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? इसके आगे वाला नंबर एज इट इज लिखेंगे, देन 0. बट इन सेम सिचुएशन 4523, Then what we write down? Here 5 in 100 place. Here 5 means 5 होगा तो हम क्या करेंगे? उसके आगे ले जाएंगे, मतलब यहाँ +1 करेंगे. Then we write down 5000. Understand? Any number who is bigger number than we say round off in 1000 place, then we doesn't go ahead or below the 10 place or unit place. We check only 1000 place. Understand? Suppose we write down here 1911. Then what is the 1000 place? 1. Then nearest 100 place 9. So we write down here 2000. अगर हमें यहाँ ऐसा दिया है 2324, then again we check the 100 place value is less than 5, so we doesn't change the 2000, so we write down here 2000. Here means more than 5, मतलब 1500 to less than 5 मतलब 2499. वहां तक अगर हमें 1000 प्लेस में राउंडिंग करना है तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? 2000. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके. सपोज वी यूज वन नंबर 7584847. Here all the option is there. Suppose we round off in 10 place. Then what we are doing? We use observe only 10 place. Here 4. And what is the unit place? Unit place is more than 5 means 7. So what we are doing? We +1 in 10 place. So we write down 75850. Same way 75847 we round off 100. 100 में राउंड ऑफ करना है तो 100 का प्लेस कौन सा है? 8. इसके नियरेस्ट 10 क्या है? 4 is less than 5, so we round off here 75800. Okay, then after we write down 75847 at 1000. Then here we check the 1000 place, and then after we use 100 place. 100 place is more than 5 मतलब 8 है. 8 है तो क्या होगा? is +1 to 1000 place. Then we write down 7000 76000. अगर हमें इसको 10,000 फॉर्म में राउंड ऑफ करना है, what we are doing in 10,000 is here number. We check the nearest place value is 5. 5 is more than 5 is going upside. So अगर 5 है तो यहाँ क्या करेंगे? +1 करेंगे. अगर यहाँ 5 से छोटा नंबर है तो हम यहाँ क्या करेंगे? as it is रखेंगे. So we write down here 80,000. Understand all of you how to estimate the 10 digit? Means we use unit digit and 10 digit. If you estimate in 100, then we use 10 digit and 100 digit. If we want to estimate in 1000, then we use only 100 place and 1000 place. And estimate in 10,000 place, we use 1000 place and 10,000 place. Understand all of you? Okay. Then our next lecture we solve the problem sums of with use estimation. Okay. All of you observe this topic properly, observe this video properly, and learn how to estimate the number. Okay, nice day all of you.